Emery. What are you going to play with today?
A patrol boat.
Oh my gosh, a remote control boat? Hi,
Yeah.
DJ. Okay.
There's
So
a
it's
boat.
RC Speed with interactive controller. It races through water with speeds up to 12 miles per hour.
It doesn't work.
Oh my gosh. 6-function directional control, and then 160-foot remote control operating range. Does that sound cool? All right, let's open him up and see how he is. That is super cool, Emery. Look how fast he can go. Can I see the remote, Emery?
It goes forward. It goes backwards.
Yeah, you're right. It can go backwards, can it? Woo! Look at it go. Alright guys, that boat was super cool, and I would definitely suggest for everybody to go get that boat because he's going to play with that for hours and hours.